Kids learning English. Learn English for Kids, English educational video. I am washing. I am washing. I am eating. I am eating. I am going. I am going. I am running. I am running. I am jumping. I am jumping. I am dancing. I am dancing. I am writing. I am writing. I am reading. I am reading. I am cooking. I am cooking. I am driving. I am driving. I am talking. I am talking. I am listening. I am listening. I am painting. I am painting. I am cleaning. I am cleaning. I am swimming. I am swimming. I am playing. I am playing. I am drawing. I am drawing. I am climbing that I am climbing. I am shopping. I am shopping. I am chilling. I am chilling. I am baking. I am baking. I am crying. I am crying. I am learning. I am learning. I am teaching. I am teaching. I am sewing. I am sewing. I am knitting. I am knitting. I am fixing. I am fixing. I am throwing. I am throwing. I am kicking. I am kicking. I am folding. I am folding. I am ironing. I am ironing. I am mowing. I am mowing. I am trimming. I am trimming. I am raking. I am raking. I am surfing. I am surfing. I am brushing. I am brushing. I am tired. I am tired. I am reading a book. I am reading a book. I am cooking dinner. I am cooking dinner. I am going to work. I am going to work. I am studying for my exam. I am studying for my exam. I am exercising at the gym. I am exercising at the gym. I am listening to music. I am listening to music. I am writing an email. I am writing an email. I am happy. I am happy. I am excited. I am excited. I am bored. I am bored. I am angry. I am angry. I am nervous. I am nervous. I am confused. I am confused. I am hungry. I am hungry. I am thirsty. I am thirsty. I am sad. I am sad. I am planning a trip. I am planning a trip. I am saving money for a car. I am saving money for a car. I am starting a new job next week. I am starting a new job next week. I am meeting my friends later. I am meeting my friends later. I am going to the park this evening. I am going to the park this evening. I am playing soccer. I am playing soccer. I am painting a picture. I am painting a picture. I am dancing to my favorite song. I am dancing to my favorite song. I am gardening in the backyard. I am gardening in the backyard. I am playing video games. I am playing video games. I am reading about history. I am reading about history. I am exploring new recipes. I am exploring new recipes. I am exploring new recipes. I am walking my dog. I am walking my dog. I am watering the plants. I am watering the plants. I am doing gym. I am doing gym. I am doing gym. I am doing gym. I am shopping for groceries. I am shopping for groceries. I am driving to work. I am driving to work. I am waiting for the bus. I am waiting for the bus. I am helping my friend. I am helping my friend. I am feeling proud. I am feeling proud. I am feeling curious. I am feeling curious. I am organizing a party. I am organizing a party. I am taking a shower. I am taking a shower. I am walking my dog. I am walking my dog. I am starting a new hobby. I am starting a new hobby. I am volunteering at an event. I am volunteering at an event. I am buying a new phone. I am buying a new phone. I am planning my birthday celebration. I am planning my birthday celebration. I am learning to swim. I am learning to swim. I am writing a book. I am writing a book. I am starting a business. I am starting a business. I am playing chess. I am playing chess. I am listening to a podcast. I am listening to a podcast. I am watching a documentary. I am watching a documentary. I am drawing a picture. I am drawing a picture. I am knitting a scarf. I am knitting a scarf. I am building a model airplane. I am building a model airplane. I am collecting stamps. I am collecting stamps. I am learning magic tricks. I am learning magic tricks. I am practicing calligraphy. I am practicing calligraphy. I am exploring photography. I am exploring photography. I am feeling better today. I am feeling better today. I am taking vitamins. I am taking vitamins. I am going for a run. I am going for a run. I am meditating for 10 minutes. I am meditating for 10 minutes. I am eating a balanced diet. I am eating a balanced diet. I am feeling refreshed. I am feeling refreshed. I am avoiding junk food. I am avoiding junk food. I am getting a massage. I am getting a massage. I am attending a workshop. I am attending a workshop. I am completing an assignment. I am completing an assignment. I am researching for my project. I am researching for my project. I am teaching a class. I am teaching a class. I am learning coding. I am learning coding. I am giving a presentation. I am giving a presentation. I am enjoying the sunset. I am enjoying the sunset. I am enjoying the sunset.